All right, 1.2 segment addition. Today is extremely hard, guys. Are y'all ready for it? No?
Yes.
Y'all, there we go. Somebody's ready for it. All right, so write all this down in your notes. Yeah, distance. So that distance and length are synonymous with one another, right? They're interchangeable. It could easily say find the distance of the segments, and it would have been the same exact thing. Okay, just how far apart are those 2 points? So the first one is AB right here. What does that symbol on top of AB tell me it is?
A segment.
A segment. So it stops at A, or starts at A and stops at B, right? Wants to know what is the length of that. Okay, y'all ready for this? We just count. 1.
I thought that could be hard. Could have had me for it.
So now let's do BD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much is segment DA?
It's -7.
-7 or +7?
-7 because it's going backwards.
But we're finding the what?
So it'd just be 7.
The distance.
Just the distance.
Yeah. Think about, like, you'll never pull out a tape measure and say, oh, it's about -10 inches. They go into like another dimension. All right, so DA is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so always just remember that, guys. Distance and length is always, always, always positive. It might be good to write. Distance and length is, oh, that's a terrible S, is always positive. It's always happy, right? It's never sad. And the last one, BC, how far apart is it?
3.
1, 2, 3. All right, so make note. See, AD doesn't have a symbol on top. It doesn't have like a segment symbol or a line symbol or ray symbol. If you ever have one that doesn't have symbol, no symbol, equals find distance. So what it's saying is find the distance between point A to point D. So on example 2, we need to find from A all the way to D. That's what we're looking for, right? What do you think we do with that?
Add them together.
Just add them together.
19.
7 plus 12 is 19. So the distance from A to D is 19. You can think about it as like, I have 2 boards, or yeah, one's 7 foot long, one's 12 foot long. What's the total length of those boards from A to D? And it'd just be 19. Next, example 3. We need, once again, we're finding A to D. So A to D.
That'd be B.
Nope, it said find AD.
Yep.
So A to D. Can I just add it on this one?
Yes.
What am I adding?
5 plus 7.
Well, you got to find the 7 first, right?
So 8 plus 5.
So, yeah, the total we know is 20. All the way across is 20. So I can add the 5 and the 8. And what does that give me? 13.
Plus 7.
Then you do 20 minus the 13, and what do you get? 7. So I know that that BD is 7. Am I finished, though?
No.
No, because we need from A to D. So the second step would be, do what? 5 plus the 7. And what do you get? 12.
I did 8 plus 5, and then I added 7 plus 13. Or, no.
Yeah. Well, in your head, you subtracted. You just did it really quickly. Here's the other way. Or the total is 20. This little part is 8. I can do 20 minus 8, and it'll give me that whole part. 20 minus 8. Whoops. gives me 12. Okay. So either way, get you the answer. So AD equals 12. And that's it.